Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back once again to my channel. Today we are going to look at differentiation. We have here, we are asked to determine the derivative of this function with respect to p. And the function given is this. Please note, you may be given a parabolic function, factorized, or whatever type of function, but your knowledge of exponent must be there. So if we see what we have here, we are given in the denominator, we have exponent. This dot simplified shows multiplication, and in the numerator we have a different thing. But the first thing we do is to simplify the function before we differentiate. So let's go through it. From what we have here, let's keep our numerator and simplify our denominator. Maybe from there we can get something out. So we have p squared minus 2p plus 3. And then in the denominator, look at this. This is p to the power of negative 1 times p to the power of half. So we have lots of exponents. So we need to add those two. So p to the power of negative 1, when we are multiplying, we add the exponent. We add the exponent. So this gives us p to the power of negative half. P to the power of negative half. Negative 1 plus 1 is negative half. Negative 1 plus half is negative half. Now what do we do? If we factorize the numerator, it will not help us because there won't, even if it's factorizable, there won't be any factor in the denominator to cancel out with. So that won't be necessary. So what we'll do is we divide individual section with what we have in the denominator, which is a single term. Now, remember, while we do this, our notation stays. So we will have p squared divided by the new denominator, it belongs to all of them, minus 2p divided by the denominator, plus 3 divided by the denominator. Split it for all of them, it belongs to all of them. Now, what next? Let's take the simplified version. So our decay will be 2, remember division of exponent, you subtract. Multiplication, we added, division, you subtract. So we have 2 minus half. Not just 2 minus half, remember it's numerator minus the denominator. So whatever that is in the denominator, the minus is in the formula. So it's 2 minus half, and that becomes 2 plus half. 2 plus half is 2.5, which is 5 over 2. So we have the first one, p to the power of 5 over 2. Minus 2, p, this is 1 minus half. 1 minus half is 1 plus half, which is 1.5. 1.5 is 3 over 2. p 3 over 2 plus 3p. This coming up becomes a positive exponent. So this is the simplified expression that we are going to differentiate. This is the simplified expression that we are going to differentiate. So let's go through that now. The derivative, remember derivative is, if we have ax to the power of n, it becomes n times a, x n to the power of n minus 1. So we have 5 over 2. So the derivative of this will be 5 over 2p, then 5 over 2 minus 1. 2.5 minus 1 is 1.5, which is 3 over 2. Minus, then 3 over 2 times 2. 3 over 2 times 2 will give us 6 over 2, which is 3. Then we have p. 3 over 2 minus 1 is 1.5 minus 1, which will give us a half. Plus, half times 3 is 3 over 2. And then we have p, half minus 1 is negative half. So this is the derivative of the given function. This is derivative of the given function. We can decide to rewrite it as positive exponent or as roots. So we have this minus minus, we have 3p to the power of half plus 3p to the power of negative half over 2. Now let's rewrite this, put them in the root and also present them as positive exponents. So I have 5 cubed square root of p to the power of 3 all over 2 minus 3 square root of p plus 3 over 2. Because this is negative, it will come down and become square root of p. So this is our answer presented as positive exponent. Please remember to ask questions. Remember to subscribe, follow our pages, subscribe to our channel, and we are always here to help you. Enjoy the rest of your day.